Hi everyone, and welcome to Art with Everyone, Studio. I'm excited today to introduce you to my new series that I'll be developing on Patreon in veil painting, the archetypal colors. And each one is represented here as a little mini of what I'm going to be doing. So what is an archetype anyway? So if you look up the definition of an archetype or archetypal in the dictionary, it says something like of prime origin. And that is a little bit vague too, but it really just means a good example, a really good example. And Goethe's color theory is based on the example of the origins or the inquiry into the origins of each specific color. And that is the basis for the work that we're going to be doing. So it would be very difficult to speak about something as comprehensive as Goethe's color theory in just a few words. But I will say that for hundreds of years, scientists have been experimenting with color, trying to figure out and measure how it refracts and how it is that human beings can perceive it. And then in the 1800s, Goethe came along and did his own experiments that had to do with how people feel when they're exposed to different colors and how artists can use this to emote a feeling in their artwork. And that's what we're going to be delving into. It's a very exciting study.